Hello everyone, welcome on this new math tutorial where I'm going to show you how to solve a first degree equation. A first degree equation looks like this or this, for example. So to solve an equation means to find the value of x that makes the equality true. How do we do it? We have to isolate the variable x or x so that on one side of the equation it only remains the variable x, and on the other side the number that, so the solution. Isolating x means making the same operation on both sides, which is really important because otherwise the expression is not true anymore, the equality is not true anymore. Indeed, if for example we have two markers and they are equal because they are on the same level, and then we want to make +2 in this side, then the equality is not true anymore. We have to do +2 in this side too. So it's the same principle by solving the equations. So first we can make the easy operations such as subtractions and additions, and then making the more complicated operations such as products and divisions. Let me explain myself through this example. First, look out for the numbers that are alone. Here, for example, 5 is without any variable, so it's not directly connected to the variable. So first we're going to subtract on each side 5, so that we isolate 3x. So here we do, on the left side we subtract by 5. I'm doing it in green so that you can see it. And on the other side 2. 20 minus 5. And so now we have only on the left side 3x, and on the other side it only remains 15. Now what is, we want to isolate x, and how can we do it? By dividing it 3x by 3. So we're going to do it on both sides again, and we're going to divide also 15 by 3. So we have 3x equals 15 on both sides divided by 3, and it only remains x equals 5. So we find our solution to the first equation. Now that we are here, if you are not sure with your result, you can verify the equation by replacing x in the first expression of your equation with the value that you just found. So for example, here we have 3x plus 5 equals 20. We're going to try with x equals 5. 3 by 5 plus 5, it's 3 by 5, 15 plus 5, it's 20. So our equation is right, is true. I have here a second example. If you want, you can try at home. So 2 out of x minus 3 equals 3, with x not equal to 0 because it's an impossible solution, because otherwise the expression is not true, because 2 out of 0 cannot be an expression in math. So to conclude, things to remember. First, by solving an equation, we want to isolate the variable. So first by making the easy operations, minus 5, plus 5, etc. So subtractions and additions, and then the heavy ones, divisions and multiplications. Then it's very important to apply each operation on both expressions of the equation, so on both sides, like the markers, same thing. And then finally, you can always verify the equation by replacing x with the value that you found at the end, always replacing it at the first operation of the equation. Thank you, goodbye.